Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I have a bunch of stuff to do. I have some errands to do. I have to go pick up a BJ's order. We have some cleaning to do, so I figured I would just share a day in the life. The kids are getting ready for school. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. It is the first week that they are back to school for 4 days. So
no, just me.
We just you, yes, but our school system. So Austin will go to school Monday, Tuesday. He's home on Wednesdays, and he will go to school now on Thursday, Fridays. Are you excited?
I'm excited for Friday and then Saturday.
Why are you talking like that? Talk like you.
I am talking like
That's not how you talk. That's not how you talk. Sure. But look at this pretty girl. All dressed and ready for school?
Yeah.
She dressed herself. She's my little punky Brewster. So we are going to go pack lunches and make some coffee, and then we are going to head out to do our errands and drop the kids off at school.
Look at my shirt, Mommy.
I know, you look very cool. You want to show them? Mario. All right, so I am just leaving BJ's. I ran all of my errands. I went to Walmart. I had a return to do at Old Navy, and I bought nothing. I don't know if it's because I shop there all the time, but there's like nothing good there. It's all like the same stuff. Let me know where you guys buy your clothes if you're a mom in her 30s, because I have a hard time finding stuff that I like, and I feel like Old Navy is just getting old to me. That was like my jam, and like Marshalls, but that's obviously always hit or miss. So we are loaded up on groceries, and I actually got some cute clothes for Layton at Walmart. They were so inexpensive because she outgrew all her clothes. I don't know if you guys saw my last video. I got a toddler clothing haul, so she needed a few more things. I'm sure Austin will need some more too when it comes to the summertime, but for now, he is good. What else? I'm gonna get gas. I have the BJ's like perks rewards card or whatever, so it's always the cheapest place to get gas. So I'm gonna get gas here, and then I'm gonna head home and I will show you everything I got at Walmart for the clothing and also at BJ's. This is everything that I got at BJ's. We got apples, bananas, avocados, big bag of carrots, some of these spinach wraps. This is what we're going to have for dinner tonight. We're going to have shredded chicken, and I'm gonna make barbecue chicken pizzas and then just a plain pizza. Got 3 dozen eggs. We got, sorry, my stepson's doing school from home and he left all his stuff in the sink. We got some of these rolls. We are going to have meatball subs this week. We got some Doritos and some regular Lay's. And over here we have strawberries. We have some Texas toast. We have these little potato company potatoes. These are my favorite. Got some fruit snacks for the kids. We got some ham. Got some ham for sandwiches. Got some feta. I'm going to make some pasta salad this week. Got some of these onion strings for my salads. Some pink Himalayan salt. And I needed some baking stuff, so I got a big thing of brown sugar, chocolate chips, and flour. And I got these Z-bars for the kids. There's chocolate chip, iced oatmeal, and chocolate brownie. Got some Greek yogurt, my coffee, and some yogurts for the kids. I also grabbed 2 gallons of organic milk and also some soda water as well, but those are down in the garage. So now I need to put this all away. Now that the kitchen's kind of cleaned up, the groceries are pretty much put away. I have to figure out a spot for all of the baking stuff, but I need to leave in a few minutes to go pick up Austin from school. Layton is here cleaning her room, but I will show you the clothes that I got for her at Walmart. So this is everything I got for Layton. I got her this cute little princess shirt, and I love this little, I like when it has these little like 3D kind of details. So I got her a size 6, and this was $6.97. And all of the things pretty much can all go together, but I thought this little skirt was adorable. And I love all their stuff because, oh, this doesn't have shorts underneath it. I thought it did, but that's okay. It was really cute, and she loves, obviously, the little tulle stuff and the little princess skirts. So I got her a size 6 in this as well. That was $9.98. This little shirt, it has a little unicorn up there and a little pocket. That was $4.98. And these little skirts are so cute. So these have the shorts underneath, which I love because, like I said before, she's constantly doing cartwheels and stuff like that. So these were only $4.98. I was shocked. So I got her a size 6 in that. And then they had this same one, also with the little shorts underneath. Same size, and also $4.98. And then I got her some more bike shorts. So these go under her dresses, or she can just wear them with cute shirts. But 2-pack of those was $4.98. So you really can't beat the pricing, and she's just wearing them like to go to school and play in the yard. So I am going to leave in a few minutes. I'm going to start some laundry now, and then I am going to leave to go pick up Austin from school. So I'll go get that laundry started, and then I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. The rest of the day, the kids are going to be outside. It is beautiful out here, but they're going to be outside doing that, just playing and getting out of the house. I have a little bit of tidying up to do and some laundry, like I said. And then for dinner, we are going to be having salad and flatbread pizzas. So I'll share with you are my quick little recipe for that. It's pretty simple, but so good. So I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. So I kicked everybody out of the house. They all went for a bike ride because it's beautiful out. Ugh, and I'm trying to open this jar. Ooh, goodness. And I can't open it. So we get another one. This one's easier. There we go. I opened one of them before, one of these, and I dumped it because it looked funky, but this one looks totally fine. It was brand new, but it looked funky. So I was outvoted on dinner. Everybody voted for meatballs. So I have those in the pan here. I'm just warming those up, and then I'm gonna add some of my own spices, and I have cleaning to do. My house is kind of messy, so I'm gonna do that. And right, we are done with dinner, so I am actually gonna go get my workout in now because I didn't get to do it this morning. It's been a crazy day, but that's a usual day here in the Cooper household. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life video, and make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.